What's up, everyone? Today we're doing a 90K service on this 2020 STI. He brought it down to us from Kansas to perform the service. Kind of go over the things that we do in our service just briefly. We start with the radiator. The plastic intakes in the STI radiators or any other Subarus go bad at the 100K mark. They'll blow in the worst conditions, most inconvenient time, so we always replace with an aluminum radiator. Silicone hoses, both drive belts. Obviously, we do the timing belt, water pump, tensioner, pulleys, all that good stuff. We also replaced oil pump with a brand new OEM oil pump. Some oil pumps over the years have had premature failure by the bolts backing out and the engine losing oil pressure. Some of the guys just run the bolts back in with Loctite, but we always just replace with a clean OEM brand new unit and check the bolts. One-step Kohler spark plugs. This helps a lot with the pump gas, guys. It just gives you more resistance to knock, a little bit cooler combustion temperatures, and they just run a whole lot better. Obviously, water pump gasket, cabin air filter, engine air filter. We also then take the car up, transmission, front diff, rear diff, gets fresh Motul in it, Motul in the engine. We flush the power steering fluid, the brake fluid, and the clutch fluid as well. This car had a leaking power steering rack, so we're gonna put a brand new OEM power steering rack on it to get rid of that leak, and then it's gonna go on the alignment rack, get it all lined up, and it should be perfectly ready to go. Thank you guys for following along.